Hi guys, you might be someone who is already having experience of more than 10 years into a management role, or you might be a software developer working on creating different applications or websites in IT industry, or you might come from a non-IT role, let's say having experience of banking or a manufacturing domain. And you will be thinking about, let's say you want to learn data science and machine learning and you want to make that career transition. So in today's video, I want to give you clarity on if you learn data science and AI, what kind of roles you can target based on your job profile, based on your educational background, and what you have been doing over the last 5 to 10 years. So let's get started. Now, before I share the career transition plan, let me tell you what exactly is data science, AI, and machine learning. So, data science is nothing but solving business problems using data. So, when you work as a data scientist, as a data analyst, or when you lead those data science teams, you will get a lot of data from the industry. You have to use that data to solve real world business problems. So, for example, you can take historical data of credit card users, and using that data, you can build a machine learning model which can tell which customers or which users are going to create default in future. So this will help the bank in doing better risk management. So this is nothing but data science, using data to solve business problems. Now for those of you who are coming from a non-IT role, let's say that you're someone working in operations field or in a market research field and you are primarily doing a kind of a non-IT job, then what you guys have to do is when you learn data science and AI, you have to carry forward something that you have been doing in your current job. So for example, if you might have a very strong domain knowledge in, let's say, pharma domain, or maybe a manufacturing or a banking domain. So when you learn data science and AI, you have to specifically target data scientist and data analyst jobs within the same domain. So during your current job, even if you're getting data in Excel, you can start analyzing that data by creating Power BI dashboards. You can start building one or two POCs using machine learning on that data. And then whatever you do in your current job, you can directly put that as a relevant experience on your CV. And you can target data analyst or a data scientist profile in the same domain in which you have an experience if you're coming from a non-IT domain. Now, if you're someone who is already working in a tech domain, let's say as a software developer, you can target the hands-on data scientist job because I'm very sure you have some experience of doing programming. So that will definitely help you when it comes down to learning Python. You really have to focus on learning machine learning and you have to build some industry relevant projects, get those on your CV. And then primarily again for you, I will recommend you to target the jobs in the same industry from which you're coming from. So if you're someone working as a software developer in banking industry, you can primarily target the data scientist jobs in the banking industry because that will make your CV look really relevant. One thing you have to make sure that when you build those capstone projects, those have to be on industry relevant data sets and those have to be on banking industry specifically. Now let's say you're someone who is already working in a management role. So you're already working as a project manager, program manager, or you're leading a team which is delivering IT projects, you're a delivery manager. Then for you guys, you really have to focus on targeting management roles because you're already into a management role, you know how to lead teams, you know how to deliver projects, deliver programs. Now that experience you can definitely carry forward. And right now in the industry, there is a lot of gap when it comes down to leading these programs of machine learning, AI, and data science. Because in the industry, we don't have many people which have the management experience within these technologies. And machine learning and AI is not like a traditional software development projects. It's different. So you need to understand how machine learning and AI projects works, and only then you can manage those projects, products, or programs. Now, what you guys can do is when you learn machine learning and AI in your current organization where you are leading products or programs, you can introduce some features within your products which are powered by AI, powered by machine learning. That will help you to stand out. You can definitely stand out as a better product manager in your current organization because right now, every company is trying to think that how they can introduce machine learning and AI, and you can become that leader who can introduce new technology in the company. That's the first advantage. Second advantage is whatever you do with respect to new initiatives, you can directly get that on your CV as a relevant experience. And then in the market, you can target jobs which are specifically for AI program management or AI product management because you already have a management experience. And then you will also learn machine learning and AI through our program or through any program that you're choosing in the market. But you just have to make sure that in the program that you are choosing, you are building industry relevant projects, you are getting into the depth of industry relevant problems in your domain, in your industry. If you do that, you can definitely target the management roles as well for program and product management. So this is what I want to tell you guys today. So I hope you got clarity with respect to how you can learn data science and AI and use it for your career transition. So based on your job profile, your experience, you have to target the right kind of opportunities in the market. And if you do that, you will definitely get success. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.